Shut your mouth, children. Okay. Lie it over the face and then you could do the finger tapping technique just to relax the corrugator supercili, the orbicularis, oculi, and then apply some pressure on the temporal vision. Apply pressure. Apply and then pressure. Apply pressure. Pag pabalik, hindi pa ganun. Wala mo siya. Finger tapping. Pressure. Like. Pressure. And then you make circular movement around the eye.
Ang sarap.
Just to relax the eyes. The orbicularis, oculi, orbicularis oris. And then you go to finger tapping. Put some pressure, like circular movements around the eye. And then you could move down. Should be upward. Dapat si Ran sa kasi Sir Olanday. Massage, not friction na gagawin mo din, ha? Kasi namumula yung mukha niya. Slight lang. And then, dito sa upper lip. O ganyan sa... And then here. Relax lang. Okay? Paliwanag? And then, next is, ang susunod, yung sa sides ng nose.
Elevators.
Order naman kayo, slapping daw.
Wow! Puti na ng face agent!
Sorry to do
Sir, di ba sa mga best bus, ibisan kalahati lang. So, yung isa lang.
Kalahati na yung mama.
Kalahati na yung mama sa'yo. Oo, syempre.
Pumapalag. Pumapalag siya din.
Since you also have muscles on the nose, you could do circular massage on the nose. And then, tuwang-tuwa sa isira, no? And then finger tapping. Down. And then on this side. Bakit pag ganito? Because you have your zygomaticus muscles, di ba? On this side. Tapos pwedeng sa pisngi. Paano sa pisngi?
Sabi lo.
Up. Malaki kasi yung kamay ko, sorry ah. Alright? Maliwanag?
Yes, sir.
And then up. Tapos, if you want to... Pero I would advise you that you do... It depends, no? What taught to us is that you do it on the side, on the affected side. On the affected side. But for me,